Here's a quick look at the E-mini S&P through the eyes of eMinDayTrader for Monday, November the 23rd, 2009. Well, we always like to start off with the market profiles to give us a bit of a longer term perspective, an intraday perspective for our intraday or day trading. And you can see here that, by the way, if you're not familiar with these market profiles, there's a lettered version and a volume version every day. So these two right here are what comprise today's trading. Now today's trading also actually includes the overnight session, which is right here. So Friday's market profile is this profile right here. So we had mentioned that in around the 95 area was potential resistance, but of course the market overnight rallied up to the next resistance area of 04. So it was showing some pretty good bullishness in the overnight session and leading us therefore more to the bullish side or the long side for trading purposes. And so when we take a look at that, we also like to take a look at our just the regular trading hour profile. So these profiles here, we can see several more days using these profiles, and you can see that there's also a volume component. You can see it right in here in particular that's shaded in behind the letters themselves. So here's where the market had traded on Friday, so you can see it obviously had that big jump higher. So really today's low is the basic support area that we're looking at, and we're looking at an area probably in around 07 as likely resistance heading into tomorrow, and we're still on the bullish side, and especially now it came back up and took out that resistance area, although there is quite a bit of news to be released on Tuesday and Wednesday, and so obviously that could change things. In particular on on Wednesday we have the jobless claims coming out on Wednesday, of course, because of the shortened trading week this week, Thursday and Friday of course being a holiday. I believe the market may be open on a Friday. It'll be a very light day. We will not be adding a video or anything on Friday, as the markets, I think it trades for just a short period of time and it's likely to have very, very light volume. I'd recommend not to trade on that day, and we will not be posting a video on that day. So we're still looking at a market that wants to go up. As a matter of fact, today on our trades, we only had one trigger, one actual system set up and trigger. We got long right in here and held it for 2.25 points was our maximum gain, easily reaching our first two objectives, which is 3/4 of a point and 1.5 points, and then taking just 3/4 of a point on the final partial on that trade. So that was actually the only trade we had today, even though the market did have a nice sell-off and made new lows late in the day. And so that area in between 6 and 7 likely resistance, I think we need to monitor that overnight. And really the low of the market today is the most immediate support. If it can get up and hold above the 6-7 area, then it's likely of course to test today's high, which is up there around 11.11, 11.12 area. So it's very possible the market could pull back before doing so, but we do expect it to have another test of those higher prices very soon. So that's a quick look at the market. Of course, the video that we prepare for our members is usually about 15-20 minutes long, a lot more charts, a lot more detail, but at least this way we can get a bit of a handle on what the market is doing. You can contact us right there at info@eMinDayTrader. We'd love to hear from you if you have any questions or comments. So that'll be it for Monday, and we look forward to seeing you on Tuesday.